start by organizing the milk. As you can see, we have 3 packets existing, so I'm just going to add the ones I have bought to our rack. Yeah, and I have a rule that they have to be facing one side, you can see. And now the good thing about the new stock is that Tuzo has changed its packaging, so you can see the word Tuzo here is smaller than this. So now I know I have to finish this side before I come to this side. If I don't have such a distinction, I usually ensure that I put my rack with the oldest at the front, because I pick from the beginning. Yeah, so ensure you finish the existing stock before you go to the new stock. The next thing, we have pasta. Santa Lucia. Someone advised me to use bay leaves to ensure that your foodstuffs don't get the small animals. What are they called? Leave a comment down below. Yeah, so I'm just putting there to see if it works. Next thing, we have spaghetti, also from Santa Lucia. You can see, yeah. I clean all my jars as soon as they're empty. I don't pile up, it's too much work. And also, you don't want to keep a dirty jar. Yeah. So we have our spaghetti. I didn't buy much because I have the option of pasta. The rice jar has substantial rice, so I'm not refilling. Same case with maize flour. So those ones are set. So for these packages, I'm just going to put them away. So the next thing is Weetabix. Yeah. So we have the smaller package. I don't take much. Also, budget constraints, so that's why we have the smaller pack. Once they run out, we will restock. Yeah. So I also just open them and fill in my jar. Interestingly, this jar does not hold too much, so it's still okay. It's still okay to have the smaller one, and also it's not consumed on a daily basis, so honestly this can take a few weeks, since my breakfast is mainly arrowroots and sweet potatoes. This is just a once in a while snack when I feel like eating, or sometimes it can be dinner. Yeah, so you can see my jar fits that package exactly, and there were no offers to entice me to buy the bigger package, and it was messed up by the meat, but it's okay since I have emptied it. There you are. I feel like they're so disorganized. I'll have to rearrange them. They actually have a bigger space. I had just disorganized them. You can see now there's even extra space at the top. Yeah, so I'm happy now. I'm contented now. our Weetabix. I didn't want fillers and cornflakes. We'll make do with this for now. So that's what we have. We have Weetabix, pasta, spaghetti, maize flour, rice, and wheat flour. Yeah. So we are sorted for the week or whichever period they are going to last. So this is where I keep my stuff. So this is how it is right now. We have red plum jam, we have margarine, Blue Band. I love those so much. And on this side I just put my plates. Yeah, this is empty. It's has an issue with locking here. That's why it doesn't have anything. This one is for mandazi, but you can see we have self-raising. So for now I'm not stocking mandazi. Sugar we have in stock. So for now I'll just leave this one and refill when it runs out. So we have maize flour, Weetabix, pasta, rice, spaghetti, and finally wheat flour. You can see my space is sufficient for my stuff. Yeah, so that's it for the pantry organization. I don't usually have much. So based on this stuff that I have in the house, it makes my work easy to decide what you're going to cook for the week. Coming to the freezer, we have some frozen tomato. Then we have some cereals. All these are cereals. If you have not watched our batch cooking video, I'll link it down below. So now I'm sorted for the week. So I bought some meat. This is beef, this is wings, chicken, and fish fillet. It's been like so long since I last had fish fillet. That's why I bought it actually. And I want to marinate and pack them as I want to cook if I have psych. So I will marinate them. I've decided to start with the chicken because fish can have some smell and I want to recycle the container. So I'm starting with the wings and the drumsticks. If you're still watching and you have not subscribed, kindly consider joining this family. We love visitors, we love and appreciate your support. So thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. Yeah, so we are done with that process. So that's done. And since we are not cooking the chicken, I'll just use the same packaging it was in to store it, because lately I am having a shortage of packaging bags. Lately I'm having a shortage of packaging containers. I don't know what happened, and I've not been shopping for house stuff for a while, but the next time I go shopping I'll get myself some more. Yeah, so that's it. We have it ready. I'll just wrap it with cling. I don't know which day I will cook them, but at least when I'll be cooking, it's just putting in the pan. There will be less work. Yeah, so that's why I felt it would be nice to marinate in advance. I save time, and today is a weekend, so it's some sort of an easy peasy time which you can do your other things. You can try this also. You'll be surprised by how easy your work will be during the week. So this now goes to the freezer. The next we are going to marinate will be beef and mix. I think that will be it for the beef. I'm going to split it into two, and I'm sure in subsequent videos you will see why, if we are able to cook every day. Even if we don't post a video, please check our shorts. That's where we post most of the recipes, because you're just cooking dinner and you decide to shoot, so that's why you will not find all the videos here, all the recipes. And then some of the recipes are too simple to create a whole video, so check out our shorts for our various simple and fast recipes. So we have our 2 packs of beef. The last one we are preparing is the fish fillet, and this one is not going to the freezer. This one is dinner for the day. Yeah. Look at that.